We will illustrate in this video the use of Excel to construct a scatter diagram for the stereo and sound equipment data. Appropriate labels and sample data have been entered into cells A1 to C11. To construct a scatter diagram for the data, select cell B2 to C11. At the Insert tab, where we have the chart options, choose Scatter Diagram. At the Chart 2 Design tab, select the Quick Layout and choose Layout 1. Change the chart title to Scatter Diagram for the stereo and sound equipment. Also, rename the horizontal axis title to Number of Commercials. And the vertical axis title to Sales Volume. Select the plot area. At the Chart Tools Format tab, choose the outline to be black. Displayed is the scatter diagram for the stereo and sound equipment data.